Hey guys, let's make an automatic workflow that integrates Google Sheets with Microsoft Outlook. So, what I want to accomplish here is that whenever I make a new row with client's detail in it, like this, I want my Outlook to get triggered and send the client an email in the format that I want. And it would look like this. And for that purpose, I will create a Zapier workflow from scratch. So, in the first trigger, I want my Google Sheets, and the event would be new or updated spreadsheet row, and this is instant, which means that the trigger will be instant. It won't take a day. Whenever I make a change, it will get triggered instantly. So I will select this. Going ahead, this is my account that I want to link it with. Continue. Trigger. Okay, in the spreadsheet I will choose my folder, worksheet 1. Trigger column, any column means any change in the sheet will trigger the change. Now we will test if it works or not. So it will take a sample from my current sheet. Continue. Moving ahead to the second app, which we want is Outlook. Select it, choose the event. We want it to automatically send email to customers. So send email, continue. Here's my account from which the mails will be sent. From mail, this section I will keep empty as by default it will take my email ID from this account. 2 will be the variable data that I will put in the email. These are the customer mail IDs. Subject will be also variable from the Excel only. Format I will select text. In the body I will write my customized text, which will be hey there, with a variable that is the customer's name, and then this will be the variable company's name. I will continue, and again we will test it. Test. We received a mail or not. We did. This is it. So the subject we wanted. Hey there, Jaishi. I'm delighted to welcome you on board with Sales Apps. That's it. We did it. The next step is to publish it. Let's test if it works or not. I will make a new entry. Done. Here we go. We received the mail. There it is. Thanks for choosing us. Subject. The name changed. The message remains same. Okay, done.